Zippy, Leo, Maya, Professor Paws, and I are going to learn about pet animals today. Look, Leo is a friendly dog. Woof woof. Next, we see a fluffy cat with soft fur and whiskers. Cats love to play with yarn and purr very loudly. Meow, meow. Look at this hopping rabbit with long ears. Rabbits eat crunchy carrots and love to jump around in the green grass. Boing, boing! Meet the tiny hamster running on its wheel. Squeak, squeak! Hamsters are small, furry pets that like to sleep during the bright day. Swimming in the bowl is a bright orange goldfish. Goldfish breathe underwater and blow tiny bubbles while they swim around peacefully. Glub, glub. A colorful parrot sits on the perch. Parrots are very smart birds that can learn to mimic the words we say. Squawk, squawk. Here is a cute guinea pig squeaking for treats. Week, week. They are social animals that enjoy living with other furry piggy friends. Slowly walking is a turtle with a hard shell. Turtles are quiet pets that carry their homes everywhere they go. Today, tap, tap, pets need food, water, and lots of love from us. Taking care of animals is a very big and important responsibility. Ting, ting! We had so much fun learning about pets. Friends, please subscribe and ring the bell icon. Ding, ding! See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.